May 7th, 2018, we're looking at the NextRad base reflectivity images from May 6th, 3 p.m. Eastern till May 7th, 3 p.m. today. We can see where the nightly ionization cycle was taking place, where all these NextRads bloom up. You can see how it kills this precipitation. You see all these interference spikes right here in the central plains. Here's the more current images. And here's the most current image. We're getting ready to start into another nightly ionization cycle. Now always pay attention to where these bloom up, how far and where, because in the next day you can pay attention to what happens. Okay, and watch it all bloom up here from last night. And now we're going to take a look. This is the lower level water vapor imagery. Now we can see how gank the jet stream is right here. How low. It's going down. Right, there was a low here. It was supposed to rain today in Western Maryland. Never did. But you can see where they're squeezing that low out. And this nice big straight edge off the East Coast right there. Along with this one. This is the clean long wave infrared imagery. And this is the most current. This is right over the Central Plains. You got Nebraska here, Kansas, Colorado. And you can just see the filth. All the trails being laid. Just pause it right there. And you can just see it. Seeding. Right? This is, I believe this is, South Dakota. Look at it cooking there, though. Poof, poof. Okay. Here is Colorado. And that's the same. This was all airplanes. And then it just, turns into that. Just documenting this. Here's local. You can see it cooking. Was supposed to rain. It never rained up here in Western Maryland. I'm up here. But just look at this cooking off the side, going up, straight line. This is, I'm not sure. Yeah, I believe this is North and South Dakota here. North Dakota. Here, this is the central U.S. So we can get a better look, and you can see that massive storm just blowing up there in the Dakotas. See all this filth over Colorado and Nebraska and Kansas. What else do we want to look at? I believe this is, I can't really tell. It's up there somewhere. Here's Colorado, cooking there in the northeast section. Then you got Kansas. I believe that's Kansas. Or that's Nebraska. With that all smoked out like that, I believe. Here's a good way to tell. At the very end, It's cooking up there in Nebraska, but you can see all the oh well, it's just a mess. I guess this is Nebraska right here, and down here is Colorado. Now I just wanted to document that. Just playing with my new microphone and trying to make a better video. Here we'll go talk. Oh, first, if you do not know, the Big Island of Hawaii, it is spewing lots of lava, and like hundreds of earthquakes preceded this, and that's basically all they've been covering on the Weather Nation here. But we'll move on. Okay, here's some personal info. Okay, so I document every month. I take screenshots of satellite and radar images and take pictures of the sky. And I try to make an album of it every month. And I've been doing this since May 2016. Now, really got me interested. Like, I knew of so-called chemtrails and all that, but you know, I started seeing funky rainbows in the sky that I've never seen before. So it made me really start questioning what was going on above my head. So it just kind of continued. Where at first I was just documenting the sky. Here's August 2016. And then this is really starting to grab my attention here is when I looked out my front porch and I seen this just appear. Like it literally just appeared. But as you can see, we got nice right angles here. Waves going up, waves going down. And you know, the more I paid attention, the more I was like, oh, well, holy hell, I don't remember any of this shit. None of it. Here's a so-called hole punch cloud. And I actually witnessed this happen. Now, it was like this here, and then a plane went through and laid a trail, and it spread out into that foot shape. Right, and I can just go through these odd rainbows everywhere. And it's just stuff that, you know, I don't recall seeing when I was younger. October skies. Just go on and on. Alright, here's strangest clouds of 2016. And this day right here, it literally looked like the sky itself was bubbling out. I mean, look at this. Nice bright orange chemtrails. And then you see little frequency patterns right here. Here's some clouds here, like, yeah, look at that. Perfectly normal, yeah. You can tell me that the wind is doing this. Just ever so perfectly. Look how perfect this is. That's the wind. Yeah. And now this started out as a little pile of crap, left by planes back here, and it just spread out. Go back, keep going. And I don't want to go through all these albums, but where do I start taking? Oh, July 2016 through March 2017. These are all radar and satellite images. And, you know, this is where I started out. I don't want to go through all of it, but I kept getting more and more, taking more and more pictures of the satellite images. Till, well, we'll just start like, here's one. This is all of Hurricane Harvey. And it's in chronological order, so you can see the progression of this storm for 10 days straight. I got videos too and stuff. I got 3 hurricanes, Irma, Harvey, Maria somewhere. And then, well, we'll take a most recent look. Here's of the skies over Cumberland, Maryland last month, April. And this is in chronological order. Look at these nice, I forget what they call these, lenticular clouds or something. But you can just see the filth from the planes. You can actually see the plane go in there. Wavy gravy, like if you don't have a trained eye, you're not going to see this stuff in the sky. But once you know what you're looking for, I mean, just look at that nasty popcorn clouds. How the sky ain't even clear anymore. Well, just pay attention and you'll find out that the sky doesn't get clear anymore. It's really sad. Like, this obviously bothers me, or I wouldn't pay this much attention to it. Wouldn't be showing people this if I didn't think that this was something to be concerned about. I mean, just look at it. It's every day. Every day, 110,000 air flights around the globe. I did get to see a natural rainbow, though, at the end of last month. But that's about my report. I just wanted to cover that. Here we'll hit play and look at this. See where it's going to rain, what the next few days is going to look like. But that's my report for this evening. Just wanted to check out them shit storms. Now if I can figure out how to end, here we go.